Let's unbox the Salty Captain bucket dolly. See what's inside. All right, so here we have it. We've got the bucket dolly and all the wheels in here. Let's put it together. All right, let's take the wheels out, the bucket dolly base, and the box. All right, so first we want to flip it over, take out all of the wheels. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty straightforward. You literally just grab a wheel. There's all these little holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the wheels in there like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just firmly go around and make sure each one so they don't fall out when you flip the bucket over. And that's how you put together the bucket dolly. Grab your bucket. Oh, I almost forgot, it has these little lock nuts in it. So all you got to do is take your nut, screw it into this hole, screw it all the way in so there's less movement. Flip it around and find the next one. That one in there, screw that all the way in, screw that one in there. Less movement in the bucket. Oh shit, I forgot to put the wheel lock on. Over here has a wheel lock, so when you're on your driveway, no more runaway buckets.